Welcome back to the Educator.com Adobe Premiere Pro CS6 in-depth video course, and this video is our final encore video. We're actually, in this one, we're going to be exporting your project. Now it's kind of like Premiere, except that you're actually creating your final output for disk or flash video. And the first thing we want to do, we want to preview and test our project before we output it. That way we know that we're not going to have any problems later on. So let's go back to Encore, and this is the project we've been working on, and we want to test it and make sure that it is working okay. So let's go to Preview. Now, because our menu is our first play, that's the first thing that will show up. So we'll go to let's go to the chapter selection first and make sure that each of the buttons works. So we want to return to the menu. We'll go back, and we even have a menu up here that's an Easter egg up here. Now let's click on that and see if it. And you notice that it goes to the sepia tone that we had set for the video. We know that it's okay. Let's go to the end action here. Let's go to this one, and it should start. And then we'll go to this one, and that should start. And we'll go to this one, and that'll be our slideshow. And it looks like it hasn't rendered it before, so it looks like it's all jerky, but it'll play okay when we build the project. And let's go back and we'll do the play all just to make sure that it works. So it goes to the next one, then it goes to the next one, and then it should return to our chapter selection, which is what we had set previously for that. So we know that it works. Now we want to check and make sure that our build is correct. So we have the check project here. Let me maximize this button, or this panel, because this is where we're going to be for pretty much the rest of the project. So we want to check the project. So we'll click check, and these are all the things that we can check here. Now some of these, like the subtitle gaps, on the Blu-ray, you have to have at least 5 frames between your subtitles. Subtitles and alternate audio tracks are beyond the scope of this set of videos. But if you need to know how to do subtitles or alternate audio tracks, I can create a video and upload it later if we need to. But all of these are things that will prevent your DVD or your Blu-ray from playing properly in a player. So let's go ahead and click start, and we have no items found. Now if we did have something, like let's say we came in and let's put our playlist, we'll play all. Let's delete the end action. Let's go back and check it. We'll start. And you'll see it shows up here, play all, end action not set. So if we double click this, it will come right here to where we need to fix it. And we can come in here, play all, the end action will go back to our main menu and then go to chapter selection. Now when we check it again, you'll notice that it's fixed. So now we know that our project plays properly, everything is connected properly, and we checked our project, it came out okay. Now we have